Vivo has launched the S60 series in China, built with a premium metal middle frame and a flat rear panel. Available in silver white, early summer green, and midsummer night. Vivo S60 will pack a 6.59-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution support and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, making it an efficient, near-flagship daily driver. The standard S60 includes a triple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel IMX882 periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. A 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Phones pack large 7,200 mAh batteries with support for 90W wired charging. The Vivo S60 starts at 3,599 yuan for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. According to rumors, Vivo S60 will launch globally as the Vivo V80. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.